Hello all, welcome to my channel. I'm Rini and today I've come up with a beautiful garden decor. It's an affordable and a very simple one using an old worn out tire. I spray painted this tire. I'd already given a complete coat the previous night. We'll give it another coat and let it to dry. I've used white spray paints by Cosmos Paints. I got this from Amazon. Heat a knife or a screwdriver and pierce it on the tire to make a hole. Now to hang this tire, I've taken a metal hanging chain. This can be procured easily from any hardware store. You just have to put it into the hole and fix it firmly. Finally, it's taken some shape. I'm going to make it like a hanging pot now. I've taken some Cocopeat. Mix equal portions of Cocopeat and water to get the right consistency. Fill the hanging side of the tire with this mixture and plant it with any hanging plant because it will look so beautiful once it starts growing, enhancing your balcony view totally. Twine the loose end of the metal chain through a hook and hang the tire as per the length of your choice. I hope you liked this simple, inexpensive hanging pot idea. Do try it out if you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it right away. I'll see you soon with another video.